Hey guys, welcome to Safi Max. In this video, I will let you know about a very important trick about PowerPoint. If you start up your PowerPoint and it always takes you to this page and you are fed up of it, you can change this option and can direct PowerPoint to take you directly to the slide page. And that you can do by opening the option menu and scrolling down to the startup options and uncheck this option show the start screen when this application starts. So uncheck the second option in the startup option and click OK. Now if you restart your PowerPoint, it would take directly to the slide page of PowerPoint. And clicking on the drop down menu at this position and always click the blank slide. Thanks for watching.